Zodway Bantu spends the day giving back. Zodway Bantu took some time out of her hectic schedule to spend a day motivating underprivileged children in Kwamashu. The special outing was organized in celebration of Ahozi FM personality, Duduhosa's birthday recently. I can only teach young girls to hold each other's hands, we need each other. I made a circle, it should not be broken, women, said Zodway. Zodway added that the kids could be anything they wanted to in life, especially if they adopted her attitude towards life. Thank you for your listening, please subscribe our channel for more hot news.